Welcome back to Track and Travel with Rick, and today we are going to put a Bedrug brand bed liner in this 26 Ram. It's a good looking truck. We're going to protect the bed with carpeted type bed liner, and it's pretty easy install, I think. I tried to find the instructions online following the QR code. I got to the website and could not find the instructions. So I've done one of these before in another vehicle, so I'm going to wing it and we'll see what we get. Okay, this is the part number. I want to say I paid about $500 for this. It's for the 19 and up 5.7 bed by Bedrug. First thing we're going to want to do, I already did, is thoroughly clean the bed because it'll be covered up. I don't want any dust and dirt grinding away into it. Got the 360 camera. Hopefully we get some decent video of this so I can do some of this with both hands. And looks like a lot of Velcro. What it came with, some extra, well, the Velcro to attach it. This strip, which I believe goes towards the end of the bed. I've got to figure that out. And we'll get this unrolled first to find out where this is all going to attach to. The main thing is the bed's clean. We'll go ahead and use, I got some 91% alcohol that evaporate fast. Wipe down, clean the areas where the Velcro is, and stick the whole thing down, and it should work just fine. Okay, so we got the Velcro attached to the pre-positioned Velcro, and we can see we are on the second rib over from the wheel well, which first rib, second rib. So I'm going to wash this, wipe this down, and same on the other side with some rubbing alcohol, get it clean, and then we'll get this in position. All right, the side is literally just zipped all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and run this zipper all the way around. Well, first glance, it's looking pretty good. A little bit more difficult than I thought to zip that around. I still have to, I never cleaned underneath it. So I have to clean underneath it, get this thing positioned, and then be a matter of pulling the tape out of one side and rolling it back, and then doing it on the opposite side. These are the strips I have. So I got 2 for the front, 2 for the side, and 2 for the other side. I've got 1. And these are all individual pieces. We'll pop them apart. And I'm going to start in the center, work my way out. And there's Velcro on the other side. And we'll wipe down some alcohol and start sticking this Bedrug in. It looks really good, and it's really comfortable on the knees. That's That's why I like this versus spray and liner. It is less money, it's more work because you have to install it yourself, but for what I'm doing with this truck, I'm not hauling firewood or nothing in this. I have another truck for that, so this is to put personal things in, and I've got a tonneau cover for it, so just want to have a nice protected bed space. The other thing I will have to cut, that's where my hook is. So to get the bed hooks in, I'll have to cut out in 4 places. Before I get too much further with the side, I'm going to go ahead and take a knife and I'm going to go ahead and cut around the hook. That way we can get the sides tighter up front and see how that works, and then work our way back. And just like that, I have my tie down hooks. So I'll do the other side and I'll start working the way to the back. I'm gonna go ahead and use a trim tool to pry this plastic back so I can get that up nice and snug. And there you have it. It took me about an hour. It said it takes a half hour to do. It takes me some reason long to do everything, but trying to do a video and trying to figure it out with no instructions. Took me an hour to do this by myself. I think it turned out really good. If I got a couple wrinkles that I don't like, I can always peel it back. It's just Velcroed on, and it looks like the glue is sticking really well to the surface because it wasn't greasy, and I de-waxed it with the alcohol. I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a better look at this. So what I really like about this, it's very easy on the knees to crawl around in, very comfortable, very clean looking, and I've got a tonneau cover to protect this and keep everything out of sight, out of mind, and pretty happy with this.